kids! Today we'll learn about before, after. So, are you ready, kids? Let's get started. So, words after A, B. Words after C, D. Words after E, F. Words after G, H. Well done! Words before J, I. Words before K, J. Words before O, N. Words before Z, Y.